Yes.
I can't see you. You need to turn on your camera. Okay, you should be looking at my screen and turn on
Yes,
your.
I see red swastika.
Yeah, good. Yeah. So yeah, turn on your camera just to make sure you are not sleeping.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
I know. But turn on your camera.
Yeah.
Turn on your camera first. Nice. Okay, well, you look beautiful today. Why you don't want to turn on your camera? I finally understood the murder case in River Valley School.
Yeah, it's been 2 weeks.
Yeah, mental stress. Okay, mental stress. So
I blame MOE.
yeah, so I also want you to have pay attention to your mental health. So be positive in life. Yeah. Yes. Did I miss out anything from you?
You're frozen. No, now you're not frozen. Now you're not
Yeah,
frozen.
I'm froze.
So I chose the most fortunate or unfortunate time to fall sick.
Okay, so your family is what, under stay home notice?
Yeah, because my teacher, I think my PE teacher got sick.
Okay lah.
He's got corona.
Anyway, it's okay. The main thing is you get vaccinated and you are under 12 and then you are considered
I'm not
vaccinated.
12.
You are considered vaccinated.
Not 12 yet.
Even though you are not vaccinated, you are considered to be vaccinated too. So as long as you have been vaccinated, I think that's all we can do. Okay.
I'm not vaccinated yet.
It's okay. You are considered the vaccinated group because you are considered you need not get vaccinated, so you are considered the vaccinated group. But anyway, I think should be fine. Yeah. So okay lah, good. Okay, we still can have our lesson. Okay, this one, wow, you get red swastika.
I got
90%. Wow, let's look at it.
I'm very big brain.
Let's look at your this gold performance or silver performance.
I am no longer dumb. I am big brain.
But anyway, looks like we have practiced some of the questions here.
Yes.
Okay, for this question, right? For this question over here. So
wait, which question?
Yeah, this is the number 5, question 5.
Oh.
Okay, so this one is also a very common. It's not a mistake, but it's a common
misconception.
No, it's a common. It's not a common mistake, but it's a common thing that you need to take note. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, if over here they want to know how much of the water was left over, meaning they want an exact. They want an exact answer. Okay, so if you can give them an exact answer, you don't give them a round off answer. Okay, so it looks like your answer is a round off answer here. Yes. So what I'm trying to say here is, so if you end up, let's say you are asked to express in percentage. Let's say you are asked to express in percentage, right? So let's say the question is, you have this 3/10, and you are asked to express 3/10 into percentage. Okay, so a lot of students, the answer is 33.3%. So this is one of the answers. Okay, or what you could have done is you can express it in 33 1/3%. So these are the two possible answers. but which one is correct? What do you think? So which one is correct? Okay. For this, which one is correct?
I think fraction.
Yeah. So this.
Wait,
Okay.
wait. But
Mhm.
it's 0.4375 is literally it's not infinite.
Oh, okay. Let me double check that. Then I need to double check on your answer. Okay, never mind. So so I would like to take the opportunity to talk about this type of question also. But later on, I will talk about your answer. Good. So if you get a question, fraction into percentage. So some students, they say 33.3% is the answer. Or some students, they express the answer as the 33 and 1/3%. So these two answers, so this is a round off answer, right? And this is the exact. Okay. So if you can give exact, please give exact. Okay. So the question is not asking for round off answer. You don't give round off answer. Okay. I hope you understand this. Okay. I have told this to my other students as well. So always give the exact answer. Okay. The mixed number here can always give you the exact answer. Okay. Now let's look at your question. So let me look at your question. Let's look. Yes.
What if they don't want exact answer? They want round off.
Okay. If they don't want exact answer, so what they normally, the question will say, let's say 310 to percentage. Then they usually will say, give your answer, give your answer in 1 decimal place. Okay. So basically this is the request from the question. But without this statement, then you should give 33 and 1/3% as the answer. Okay. Without this statement. So if they have this statement, of course, you need to give it in this. If they have this statement. Okay. So you need to express it in 1 decimal place. Okay. So okay, good. Let me come back to your question. But before that, let me just do a screenshot, get it in the PowerPoint. Okay, so have to fill as many jars as possible with 1 liter of water to capture each jar of this. So basically, this is the total volume of water this person has. So each jar, so it's 9/16. So 9/16. So they ask what was the most number of jars that could be completely filled with water. So you just use 10, you divide by this, okay? The 10 divided by this. Okay, so you should be able to get 10 times 16/9. Then you get 160/9. So this is, let me just use my calculator to help me out. So 160 divided by 9, you get 17 point something. So let me use long division. Yeah, good. So it's 17 and then 7/9. Right. So what was the most number of jars that could be completely filled with water? So it's 17. That's the answer. And then how much of the water was left over? This question. So for this question, the leftover, right, over here, some students, I think this is also a very common mistake among students. Right? So common. So let me just duplicate this. Okay, I'm going to do it here. So you have 9, okay, you have 17 filled. Okay, so you have 17 filled. So basically your 10 liter, you are going to have 9/16. You're going to have 9/16. You are going to have 17 of 9/16. Okay, so 17 of 9 over 16, so it's 17 times 9 over 16. So what is the fraction? So let me just use my calculator. So you have 17 times 9 divided by 16. Yes, you are going to have 9.5625. So you are going to minus 10. Like you say, you minus 10. Yeah, so that is the 0.4375. Yes, so this should be the answer. And give your answer in liter, so this is the answer. Okay, so if you express it in decimal, it's fine because this is the exact answer. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Let me double check. Okay, good. So your answer is correct. Okay, so but it's good that we talk about this question. Okay, it's good that we talk about this question. If you can give an exact answer, you don't give a round off answer. Number one. Number two. So a lot of students they get this wrong. A lot of students they get this question wrong because let me show you what is the common mistake here. You know what is the common mistake here? Do you know or you don't know?
Because like they didn't mention anything about decimal. So everyone have to put fraction.
Fraction is all right. So no, I'm asking for part B. What is the common mistake here? Your answer is correct, but what is the common mistake? Do you know or not?
I don't know. I got this question correct.
Oh, okay. So the common mistake is this. Let me show you. So 10 over 9 over 16. So you get 17. Is it 7 over 9? Yes. So if you use 10 divided by 9 over 16, you get let me double check. Can you use a calculator and help me out? 10 over 9 over 16. What is the mixed number you get?
17.77777.
I want mixed number.
Mixed number.
Mixed number is.
Your answer, lor?
Oh, so it's 17 and 7 over 9, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So once they have done this part A, so you know what they say part B, the answer is 7 over 9 liter. So basically what I mean, a lot of students think that, oh, since 17 jugs is the answer for A, right? So this is the leftover, 7 over 9. So therefore, 7 over 9 liter is left. No. Okay? No. The answer is no.
So what did you just do?
Huh?
What did you just do?
I'm
very confused.
I'm just saying.
Why is it 7 over 9 liters?
No. Okay, so the reasoning is, okay, you listen, because only when you know what I'm talking about, then you will not make this mistake next time. So you listen carefully. A lot of students make this mistake. It might happen to you. So they say, since I take, focus again. So let's erase everything first. So since they take 10 divided by 9 over 16, right? Their answer is 17 and 7 over 9, right? So therefore, 17 jugs is the answer for A. Okay, is the answer for A. So they have taken the 17 jug already, right? So what is left? 7 over 9 is left. So therefore, 7 over 9 left is the answer for part B.
I'm very confused. So you're confusing me.
Oh, so that means basically you don't know what I'm talking about, right?
Okay, I don't understand.
I want you to know what I'm talking about, even though I purposely make a mistake here. Okay, I'll give you an example. So let's say you have $4. Okay, you have $4. And now each 4 is not a very nice number. Let me play with 7. Okay, yeah, $7. And then each book costs $2. Okay, now they ask how many books can you buy? All right. By the way, we cannot have a fraction for book. So the number of book can only be a whole number. So what you do, you take 7, you divide by 2, right? You will get what? So you will get 3.5, right? Am I right? 7 divided by 2, you get 3.5, right?
Yes.
Yes. So therefore, because of this, so that means you say, I can buy 3 books, right? Because you can't buy half a book. Okay. So now the second question is, given this question, how much is left? Yes. So what if they ask how much is left? How much is left? So what's the answer? Half.
Wait.
Is it half?
Wait.
Ah.
No. It's not half.
Then what it is? Because you have taken the 3 here, ma. So now the half is not used, right? So half is left.
No. It's half of a cost of the book, so it's $1.
Correct. Yes. But a lot of students, they think, oh, the 3 is taken to be here already. So the half is not used. So therefore half is left. Also it's wrong. Huh? So it's half of the 2. So therefore it's $1. Okay. So like you say, you must use this remainder 1. Okay. 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 So therefore $1 is left. So it's the same thing for this question here. Over here. So 17 is taken to be the answer for A, right? So 7/9 is left. So therefore 7/9 liter is left. Wrong. Okay. The answer is 7/9 times the 9/16. So there was 7/16 is left. Okay. So this is the answer. Or 0.4375 according to your. Okay. You don't look down on this mistake. Sometimes Nancy also make this mistake. Oh. So I want to make sure.
I never make this mistake.
I'm not sure yet. So far, no this mistake yet. Okay, good. Next. Okay.
So my mom is.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, this is good. 妈妈，她这一次做的很好哦，特别是这个 Red Swastika 90。
要看他自己有没有认真。
对，所以你帮我抓他的认真度哦，谢谢你态度，他是可以的。好，他是OK continue. Oh, what's wrong with this? This one? Okay, you are gone now. Are you still there? Hello, student. Are you there? 不见了。
Hello.
Hey, where are you? Okay, yeah, good. Okay, good. So, just now, what I wanted to say is, yeah. So basically, if your attitude is right, and if you really want to do well, you can do it in mathematics. Other
So
subjects,
my
I cannot. Ah,
so my mom said
yeah,
that she's going to bring me to choose my food, and I choose my food. Okay.
good.
The food.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So you have chosen your food. So yeah, lor. So as long as you have the right attitude, then you can do it for mathematics. Other subjects, I'm not in charge, so I don't know. Okay, okay. So okay, come back to this question. If you are ready, are you ready? What's wrong with this question? Check what 88.
Oh, they wanted me to write the angle for
Mm.
if AD is perpendicular to DE.
Yeah, so your answer is no, right?
Instead of writing ACD, I wrote 88 degrees.
So you are wrong. Lor. The reason is, you know your mistake, right? Or
Yeah.
do you know your mistake? Don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So when you are given this, right, you're supposed to write ABC here. Okay. This one refers to the angle. Okay. You cannot write like this. Okay. There is no such notation. Okay. It's either equal. Okay. Basically, it's either angle A is 88 degree. Okay. Or angle ABC is equal to 88 degree. Okay. You cannot have angle 88 degree is ABC. Okay. No such notation. Oh, okay. Good. Hey, this question. This question. Okay, I want to share a question with you from Nancy. Okay, so similar
No,
question.
you before. It's a very
No, no, I just had the lesson. I had the lesson Monday, this Monday. Yeah.
so
So yeah. So unless you have watched that recorded video, if not, then I should share with you. Let me share with you. I find that question very interesting. Yeah, she made a mistake, so I just want to share with you to make sure you don't make mistakes.
did you know that I didn't go for a whole entire week? And now I'm not allowed
You
to
didn't go. You didn't go where?
I didn't go to school for a whole week and now I'm not allowed to go to school anymore.
You don't need to go to school, ma.
Yeah, because I'm on leave of absence and
Yeah.
because I'm sick.
Yes. You're not sick, right? Just stay home notice only. Right?
Oh, I am.
Oh, okay. But you look
For
okay.
Monday. Yeah,
Let
because
me see, let me see your face. Okay, what? You look okay. What?
I recovered on Friday.
Oh, okay. Okay, no. So that means as long as you have recovered, that means you're okay. Okay, yeah. This is let me see. No, not this. Is the other one. Flu. You got flu or what?
Indigestion with my brother.
What's that?
Indigestion
Oh, indigestion. Okay.
with my brother.
Oh. So you should eat porridge, light food. The question is wait. So sorry. Monday is what day? Let me check my calendar. Monday is Monday is 19th. Okay, 19th.
Who's Sweetie birthday?
My wife. Are you jealous? Or,
No, I was just wondering.
my wife? Yes. Okay. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe you pay attention to all those things. Oh, then I need to be very selective next time what I show you.
I saw Italy.
Okay. Never mind, I couldn't find it here. But anyway, it's okay. When I found it, then I share with you. Come back to your paper first. Okay, come back to your paper first. Or maybe I can take a look during the break. Okay, good. This question, well, this question should be quite easy. This one 47. 为什么? Let me see. Oh, this question. Okay. Well, you messed up already. But let me try. Let me try my best.
So you can just go to the website, right?
Oh yeah, I can also do that. But anyway, it's okay. They say this is 17. Okay. For this question, the most important thing is basically they're talking about a circle here. So whenever you are given a circle, and then think of the radius. All right? Think of the radius. So the radius, if this is the center of the circle, so this is the radius. So this is also the radius. So you know what it means? Okay, what it means is this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so if this is an isosceles, right? So that means this is also 17. So it cannot be 26. This is 17. So if this 17, this is 17, I think you can figure out this already, right? So this will be, let me use my calculator. Is 180 minus 34, because 17 plus 17 is 34. So it's 146. So this one is 146. Okay. So if this is the radius, and then this is also the radius, right? So therefore you have another isosceles triangle as well. Okay. So this is 146, and then what else? They say AB is equal to AO. AB, this is AB. This is also AB. They say AB equal to AO. Easy. So it means this is a not only an isosceles, this is a equilateral. So equilateral, this is 60. So this is 60. So with 60, 60 minus 17 is 43. So this is 43. Let me use a different color. This part is 42. Right? So yeah, so if this is 43, then you can find out this already. So 180, you minus 103. So this is 77. Yes. So this one is 77. So this is 77, this is 103. Very good. So what they want? OBC was OBC. OBC. They want this one. Oh, they want this one. So this is 103. And what else do you have? And you have this 17. Okay. And then you have this 43. Then what else do you have? This one I saw. So if this is isosceles, it means these two angles they are the same. Okay. So yeah, this one is what? This one is 77. Then this is 17. Then you can find out this part already. So this part is 77, 17. So this is 94, 94. So 180, 94. So this is 86. Yes, this part is 86. The small part is 86. Okay. So this small part is 86. OBC. So they want to find this one now. Yeah. So because this is an isource one. DOC. This is isource. This is 86. So this one is equal. This is equal to 1. This is also this is equal 1. This is also equal 1 because they are the same isource. So 180 minus 86. 94 divided by 2. So one of them is 47. Yes. So 47 is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks like Nancy also got this wrong. Because she couldn't. No, she couldn't identify the isource triangle. So whenever you get a circle, right, think of the radius. Okay. So radius is the same. So therefore, you can see you have a lot of not a lot lah. At least you can see this is a isource, and then this is your equilateral triangles. So these are the key concepts before you can find out OBC. Okay. She couldn't see this isource, so she couldn't do this question also. 诶，这个 question 做过吗？
我会。
Yes. If you tell me you never score, right? That means no wonder you score 96%. Good. Okay. So basically, you have done this paper before, maybe 1 or 2 questions, but at least you score to make sure that you are telling me you really get it. So you have done the paper and you can score, that means you get it.
Big brain.
Good. So you're telling me you get it. Good. Great stuff. Alright. If you get it wrong, then no excuse. Then 你为什么这里错？you say you get it， 为什么这里错 ？Full mark score.
Because I know this
fraction
one.
People ask for fraction, you give what?
Oh shit! Oh wait, no.
Okay, that means you always speak vulgarity. So that means you speak vulgarity in class as well. Right?
No, I say that because my dad says because of you.
Oh, okay. But anyway, people ask for fraction, you give what? You give number. Never read question. Can't help you. Can't help. 帮不了忙啊. You have to help yourself.
我知道你帮不了。
Then this one, we talked about this before.
No, I tried to do.
You want to try one more time?
Sure.
I'll let you try one more time. Show me you can get 173. If not, I need to show you one more time how you can do this question. You try one more time now? Can you?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Good. Let me get this question to PowerPoint.
Okay, I got the answer.
Okay, good. So I just briefly walk it through with you now, because I really want you to get it. Not like, oh, I make a mistake because of this and that.
I will write out if I have to.
什么？ I didn't catch.
I will write it out on the whiteboard if I have to.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I just want to make sure you really know. I mean, I shouldn't see any mistake. you write on this blank canvas first.
I don't like this thing.
Okay, what? 41 minus 1 equals to 40.
You told me the conductor thing.
Oh, okay, you
That's
show
why
me. You show me if it works.
yeah, I can.
Then okay lah, you do lah, you do, it's okay. You show me lah, you show me.
So you can see.
Yeah, I know. I can see what you're doing, but you are writing rubbish.
Because I agree.
Okay, never mind. You just write. I wait for your solution first. You write on the blank canvas first. I want you to really know it. Okay. Not like, oh, sometimes I also make mistake. I don't want you to make mistake at all. No mistake at all for this question.
Equals to-
Yeah, I think it's better to type. It looks nicer. When you type out things, it looks nicer. Continue.
I am.
Mm.
Then
Okay, good. So I will just, okay, don't erase your stuff. Okay, so the way to do this question is, the question asking for the figure 41. So figure 41 is an odd number. So 41 is an odd number, right? So you need to find a pattern. So therefore you need to find a pattern. You find a pattern that uses odd number figure. Okay. If the question change, let's say the question changed to 100, figure 100. So therefore, you need to use another strategy. So since 100 is an even number, right? Then you need to find a pattern. You need to find a pattern that uses even number pattern, an even number figure. Okay, but I'm going to show you both. Okay, I'm going to show you both. So let me start with the 41, which is an odd number first. Okay, let me show you 41 first. Then I will show you the 100, which is an even number. Okay, so 41 is an odd number, so find a pattern that uses odd number figure. So I need to pick all odd number figure. So figure 1, I have 13, suppose. Figure 3, I have 21. And then figure 5, I have 29. Good. So what you see is between each odd number, okay, the difference is 8. And then this is, they have the same difference. So when they have the same difference, you can use my formula. The formula is first number plus the difference times n minus 1. Okay? The n here, right? The n here is the nth odd number. Okay? So figure 1 is the first odd number. Figure 3 is the second odd number. So figure 5 is the third odd number. So the first number here is 13. So I put 13 here. The difference is 8. So I put 8 here. And minus 1. So like you say, right? Now we want to find figure 41. So therefore I ask myself, okay, can you help me erase this first? The 41 minus 1 equals to 40 first. Or can I erase? Let me see if I can help.
don't erase.
Let me erase first. Okay, good. So if this erase first, erase first. Thanks. So if figure 1 is my first odd number, figure 3 is my second odd number, so figure 5 is my third odd number. So basically what I need to do is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is my fourth, this is my fifth. So I come back to 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Then of course you come back to 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Then you come back to 31, 33, 35, then 37, and then 39. Then of course you have 41. Right? So can you see that if 1 is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so you just count lah. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 41 should be your 21st, right? Yeah. So 41 is your 21st odd number. Then you plug in your 21st here. So therefore you have 13 plus 8. So 21st minus 1 is 13 plus 8 times 20. So 13 plus 160 is 173. So that's the answer. So is 173 the answer? Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to do for the figure 100 now. All right, I'm going to do figure 100. Same question, figure 100. So let me do figure 100. The technique is the same. Okay, the technique is the same, but there is a slight difference, very, very slight difference. So just now we do for odd number, right? So what if the answer changed to figure 100? Okay, so figure 100, so figure 100 is an even number. Okay, so even number figure. So we need to find a pattern from all even number figures. So I pick 2, 18. So figure 2 is 18. Okay. Then figure 4 is 26. Use a different. Okay. Then figure, this is figure 4. Then figure 6 is 34. So 6 is 34. Okay, done. Okay, so can you see the difference is 8? Okay, so once again, same difference. Okay, with the same difference, then we can use our formula. Our formula is what? First number plus difference n minus 1. Right? In this case, the n here is the nth even number. Okay, so the first number in this case is 18. The difference is 8, so n minus 1. Done. So now our job, some more. So
你有
now
教过这个
没有咩？
你有很久以前
Yes. So I just want to, yeah. So we have been learning this, by the way. We have been learning it. So I just want to reinforce your understanding. Okay. I want to make sure there is no error at all next time when it comes to this type of question. Okay. So what you are going to do is, so 18 is your first even number. 26 is your second even number. So 34 is your third. So 42 is your fourth, right? So 50 is your fifth. Can you see you come back to 58? And then next is what? 66. And then next is, come on, 74. And then next is
82.
82, yes. So 90. So this is your 6, 第6个、第7个、第8个、第9个、第10个。Okay? But now what they want is they want 100. Figure 100. Okay? So how you do it? Figure 100. 怎么办? So figure 100 is this is your first even. This is your first even.
Figure 100 is
So this
times
is your
100.
1, this is your 2, this is your 3. So this is your first even, this is your first even, this is your second even. Can you see here? Can you see here? So figure 2 is your first even. Figure 4 is your second even. Figure 6 is your third even. So they want figure 100. So can I say it's a 50? That means they want the 51. Am I right?
Yeah.
So therefore you put in 50. That means basically they want 50. They want what? They want, this is 10, right? So basically they want to count until 50. What's the value? So you just put in 50 here. Okay. So once you put in 50, then you just solve this. Can you help me out? Use your calculator. Solve this. Are you helping me out using your calculator?
I sent it to you in the chat.
Just say it out loud. 413. Let me see. Double check. Okay, double check. Let me double check for you. 413. So let me use your calculator. So 8 times 49 plus 15. 410嘞，乱来。Let me double check again. 50 minus 1. 49. So 49 is here. Here. Okay. So times 8. Then you plus the 18. 410. So
No, why you
410.
you know why I got 413?
You cannot get 413. The reason is, can you not
I
see
can.
all are even? Can you see? All are even.
But I add a 3.
You have 2 for what? 你加3 for what?
Can become 51 no?
51. You need to follow this. What are you talking about? So you just follow. You just follow. This is your first even. This is your second even. This is your third even. So can you see? How do you get this from this? Is divided by 2. So 2 is your first even. 4 is your second even. 6 is your third even. So 100 is your 50th even. So you just put the 50 into this.
Okay.
Yeah. So you just figure out this. Right? So you should not get mistake for this question anymore. No more. Okay, if you cannot do it, then you just do it this way, lor. 18, 26, 34, 42, 50. So this is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Hey, where are you? 你去哪里？
我在这里。
So okay. So this is your 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically they want 50th. What's the value? So if you cannot do it, then you just do it this way, lor. Keep counting, lor. So 这里是98咯。106 something like this. Okay. So you will see the pattern. Okay, next. Okay, good. Next. 这个做完 then we close this. Let me just delete. Oh, this is from Nancy, not from you. This is from Nancy.
So where's mine?
Yeah,
I thought my mom do a second one.
okay, this is not yours. Let me erase it. 这是你的是吗？
Yeah.
Okay. This is last week one, right? Or this week?
Yeah.
This week or last week?
Last week.
Oh, last week. Okay, maybe. Okay, this is this week. MCQ. Okay, red swastika. 看一下。So far so good.
Red swastika.
啊？
我们刚过的就是 red swastika.
嗯。
We're supposed to 过南洋.
南洋啊 ，OK 咯，南洋咯 ，OK 咯，南洋。Here. Okay, this. Okay, good. Next. Swastika is the next paper. Okay, you get 18 over 20. So, why you got a smiley face? Easy? Or?
I accidentally used my wrong ruler at the time.
Oh. But anyway, you still get one mistake. Let me see where your mistake is. But yeah, no.
No, the other page.
Oh,
Yeah.
这里. So what it says, Mrs. Lee had flour. 哎呀，这题啊。So you have this, and then use 7.2 to make some cake. She then packed the remaining. So remaining how much? 22.7 minus 7.2. Use my calculator. 25.5. And then packed into 50. How much was that?
Divided by 50.
这个 divided by 50 哦. So
Yeah,
if you don't want to use calculator, what you could have done is, because I don't think you can use calculator lah. You times 10, okay? Then you divide by 5. Divide by 5, you get 51. You divide by 5, you get 100. So this is 0.51. 不是吗? So kg, of course, you need to change lah. This is kg. Then you need to change to g. That is 510 g. So looks like this is g. Can you see this is g? So you should choose 4. Okay. So the unit, so basically this is unit conversion. Look carefully. You get tricked already. Okay. So remember the answer is 510 gram. Okay. 0.51 kg if you want to choose your performance. Yeah, good. So for your this set of paper, you get 96%, right? So the number one reason is we have done it before. Okay, and it's also a good thing we have done it before and you score, it shows you get it. But for the question, the number pattern question, just now the one number pattern question, I'm still a bit disappointed because you still get it wrong for part 1. Oh no, part 2, the B. Oh, the 410. 不是 410, 410 is for fee. 410 is figure 100. They ask for figure 41. So actually figure 41 is easier. You count also count easy. Oh, so make sure you don't make mistake for number pattern question anymore. 可以吗？可以还是不可以 ？OK。Good. Let's
你
move
忘
on.
懂啊？
啊？
Follow teacher. Now we expect more from you.
I
So, I did not hear clearly. What did I miss out?
my mom said,
Ah.
now we are expecting more from you to me.
Yes. Oh, of course. So basically, our goal is 85% and above.
What if I
Okay.
get 90% and above?
Wait. Your this 96% is because we have done it before. Still, you are supposed to get 100 by the way, if you have done it before. Okay, so 85% is our expectation. Okay, let's move on. Next, so we should be looking at this 南化. No, red swastika. Okay, red swastika. Red swastika, okay lah. So far so good until here. 哇，这题都错啊 ！What's wrong with 这题？ Which of the following shows the top view of the solid correctly? Top view means from here. So top view 1、2、3咯 and then 1、2咯 So that means I need to see 3、2、1.
My own fault. 不可以害我 I know.
So 这题有啥 So basically I should see a 1 here, 1 这里 Then I should see a 2 or so. Wait, this one is very confusing and all are wrong 是吗 All are wrong, right? Hello. Hey, don't mess up my screen.
I don't think all are wrong.
Then tell me which one is correct. Then which one is correct? Hey, you don't mess. Is it? Are you messing up my screen?
I deleted it.
You don't do it anymore. Otherwise, I disable all your function.
Okay.
Okay. I give you the freedom. I give you the freedom. You use it like you use it responsibly. 第7个 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Front view.
7. Top view 吗
Top front view. That means 应该是这样子的，我给你看。
From here, right? Which of the following shows the top view of the solid? Top view is here, ma. Top view is here, ma. So I should see 3, 2, 1, ma. That's why I say all are wrong. I thought here must be 1. I thought 这里也是应该有一个. Yeah, it should be this. You should get 1 here, what? Because of this.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
不是吗?
It's only supposed to be like the one that I drew.
No, I'm asking. Okay, you think your this is correct. You think your this one is correct, right? Okay. But now I'm asking you. Why it cannot be this one? That's my question. 为什么不可以是这个?
That's why they put 2 blocks on top of another 2 blocks so that it will show. If it doesn't show, that means it's not there.
没有了. I mean, if you go and okay, there must be 1 block here. If you look from the top.
No, there's no 1 block there.
Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, then there is no. Yeah, nothing here. Oh, well, there's nothing here. Okay, so if there's nothing here, so your answer, your this is correct. So, okay. So the answer is 对咯，这个咯 all. Okay, because over here, right, they say 7 cube, so you must make sure it's 7 cube. If I count one more here, that means 8 cube already. Okay, so you need to read this one also. Okay, 7 cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is underneath the 4, so 6 is underneath the 4, and then 7 is underneath the 1. Okay, so therefore 7 cube, therefore it should look like 这个咯，像你刚才说的。Yeah, but if this question is changed to 8, so instead of 7 cube, right? If the question changed to 8, then you should have this part already. Oh, so please bear in mind, this is important. Okay. Good. Okay, let's erase. Can you erase? How to erase? Okay, good. Thanks. You don't try to annotate. Oh, anyhow, I will disable your function. Okay, good. Okay, you got one mistake because of the because of that next question. Okay, okay. Let's take a brief break. Come back in 5 minutes. Okay. So this is a one IP per hour. Okay, see you in 5 minutes. Hello, I'm back.
Hello. Let me know when you're back. Hello. Nice. Hello. Are you back?
Go get my stuff first.
Good.
Okay, hello, I'm back.
Good. Good that you're back. All right. Okay. Let's look at this. Paper 1, part B. On the grid below, draw two straight lines to complete a symmetrical figure. Symmetrical. Okay, yeah. What's this? This is the rate question. You are using proportionality here. Do you still remember the other method? The formula method?
Is it? Oh, never mind. It's proportionality.
You use proportionality, but can you tell me the formula first?
I don't remember.
Okay, if you cannot remember this.
I know. I think I know. Speed times distance.
No lah, this question is not about distance.
Oh.
Okay, that one is distance is equal to speed times time. Right? So this question is, in fact, the formula is very similar to distance. So instead of distance, you just write work done equals to rate times time. So it's very similar. Okay, so please remember the formula method as well, because if you cannot remember the formula method, you are handicapped. Like I teach you already, like you cannot remember, so that means it's as good as not learning at all. Okay, so I don't want you to be handicapped. Okay, I want you to be fully equipped. Okay. Next. Here nothing, right? Okay, nothing. Not given. Can't do. Okay, so set paper 1, good. Now, this is, you should be looking at swastika, right?
No, we should be looking at Nanhua.
Oh, Nanhua, okay.
Nanyang. I've been waiting here for a very long time.
Over here. So, what's this? This one is case 1, case 2 question. Can you not see? So this is case 1, right? Then from here onwards is case 2. But I never see your case 1, case 2. Can you reattempt this question now?
Okay.
On a piece of paper will do. Okay, just let me know your answer. No lah. Okay, if the answer is 7, I'm fine with that. But I want to know your how you get 7. Can you show me how you get 7? Can you type it out? Like you can type it out here. Can you type it out here? Yeah. And of course, I will show you how I get the answer 7 also. The approach is more important than the answer. Wow. Okay, looks like you are not using the case 1, case 2 method I teach you. You need to use the case 1, case 2 method. This is not case 1, case 2 method.
Oh, okay, then I'll try.
Yeah, please use the case 1, case 2. Because this is a very clear case 1, case 2 question. So there is a word each here. So it's good to start with a table. Just to give you some hint. Let me get ready the question to PowerPoint. Can you figure it out? If not, we can do it together.
I'm doing. Wait.
Yeah, like I say, you can actually use a table method to help you out.
It's a little bit time consuming.
No, I can show you how fast I can finish it. It's okay. If you say it's time consuming, I can show you how fast I can finish it. If you say it's time consuming, that means you still have not grasped the you still have not grasped the concept.
Okay.
Done? Are you done with using the table method? Case 1, case 2? Okay, so you should draw a table like this. Okay, and what they say case 1, they tried taking 9 bookmarks each. So 9 each. So number of students, I don't know, so I take it as U. And then they found that the last student had only
-4.
So the last students had only 5 bookmarks. Okay, so what you need to do is I need to get one more table up actually. Hold on. I mean one column. Okay. Yes, one more column. This column is called the last student. Okay. Then the total. Okay, good. So 9 each. Then number of students, I don't know, U. The last student we get 5, right? So therefore, the total bookmarks will be 9 times
9U -4.
I thought 9 times
-4.
or you can do it this way, 9 times bracket U minus 1. So why U minus 1? Because the last student got 5. So I just add 5. Does this make sense to you?
Yes.
Good. So that's why if you simplify this, like say you simplify this, you get 9U minus 4. Right? Okay. So you should get 9U minus 4. That's case 1. Case 2, when each student took 7. So this is also U. So there were 10 bookmarks left over. So the last student, there was no last student. So the total bookmark is 7U plus 10. Right? Because 10 bookmarks left over. So what you need to do now is you just equate this. 9U minus 4 equals to 7U plus 10. So this one, you bring it over, 9U minus 7U, then 10 plus 4. So 2U equals to 14, U equals to 7. So how many is to 7? Simple. Okay. So like I say, I have used, okay, plus explaining to it with the table. Okay. I have used less than 2 minutes. Okay. Less than 2 minutes.
Okay.
And at the same time, I need to explain to you. Okay. So I don't think it has taken a lot of your time. Okay. This is one of the safest method to solve this kind of question. Okay. So we have talked about this case 1, case 2, and hopefully you can get it right next time. And you need to show the case 1, case 2 method. This one, my goodness, I thought this one is the simplest. Can you reattempt this question? This question is what? Transaction. Why you show me what? Before, change, after. Can you do it with the branch?
Okay.
This question, okay. Why I say is you can use the branch because this is a transaction question. Okay, transferred. Okay, so this is a transaction question. So transaction question, branch. Okay, looks something like you. If you turn it around, okay, now you look like this one. Now you look like this. Okay, so use the Do it on a piece of paper.
Okay.
So see,
I will start now.
see if you can get the answer. This is a transaction question. Yes.
Never mind.
And what do you call this? What do you call this?
What do you call what?
This one, no?
Cyclops, oh.
No, your this, your this. What is this? Add-on
It's called a Cyclops.
or cyclones? Cyclones.
Clops. Clops.
Clops. Clops. Never mind, you spell it out. Okay. Or Cyclops. Okay, Cyclops. Okay.
Let me continue with my work. I found the answer.
Okay, good. So I'll just quickly share with you. The branch you are supposed to draw lah. The answer is not so important. The approach is what I want to focus on. Okay, so let me get rid of this first. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so over here, you should start with the ratio. So you have A and B, and then you have 5U and 3U at the start. And then it says 36 ball from box A were then transferred. So basically 36 gone, so 5U minus 36 left. So this is gone. And then you receive 36. I mean B received 36, so it's 3U plus 36 left. So this is received. Right? Okay. Then now the ratio of the number of balls, okay, is 1 to 3. So basically this is 1, this is 3. Okay. So what you like to use is 1T and 3T, right? I also learned from you. So it's 5U minus 36 is equal to 1T. And then 3U plus 36 is 3T.
I use 1B.
Oh, okay, also can. So the letter is different only, but the logic behind is the same. Okay, so with this, right? With this, so what you could have done is you could have this, you can times 3 here. You get 15U minus 108 equals to 3P. So can you see 3P and 3P is the same? So is it 15U minus 108 is equal to 3U plus 36. Huh? So with this, 3U you bring over is 12U. 108 minus you bring it over is plus, so it's 144. So it's U equals to 12. So with U equals to 12, they ask what? Box A at first. 5U, right? So 5U equals to 60. Yeah? Answer is 60. Easy or not easy? You get 60? So you see, not only I ask you to learn from me, okay? I also learn from you. Okay, so I also want you to realize one thing. Okay, we both learn from each other. Okay, so if yours is your method is better, I'm okay to learn from you. Or if your method is something new, I'm okay to learn from you. But if my method is better, of course I will use mine. Okay, so you don't always think that, oh, how come teacher, you always ask me to follow you, but you never learn from me? I've learned from you, the 1P and the 3P thing. But sometimes, of course, I think your method is it's not as good. Then of course, I suggest you not to use yours. Okay, so this is a very simple question. Next. Okay, here. This one, good. This paper done. Are we supposed to? No.
Teacher, what about Nanyang the back? 后面
Yeah, Nanyang, yeah. 这里哦，
后面
有个多
Okay.
Yeah. This one what? Okay, so far so good. This one, for this question is divide and conquer. Okay, divide and conquer. Divide means you need to split the question into those. This is area 1. Okay, and of course you can split this also. Okay, if you don't split also can. Okay, so you just take the triangle, this rectangle, then you minus the 2 semicircles. Okay, so divide and conquer. This part, this question should be the easiest. Yeah, good that you get it. This question is also, let me see, the length was divisible by 3. Oh, this question. Yeah, this is the strategy. But how come you still get it wrong? 你为什么还错? Can you reattempt the question? Can you reattempt this question and tell me what's the answer? Then I will show you my way of doing this question. But this one looks good. This looks good. Looks good. And this is the right approach.
I wrote down the wrong answer. It's supposed to be 280.
280 right? 没有 280 啊，你这里都没有 280。
I
Yeah,
wrote
it's supposed to be
wrongly. It's supposed to be 280.
You mean over here is 280?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 280.
Then
I
为什么
wrote
你
wrongly.
写 288?
Yeah.
Let me double check. Yeah, let me double check for you. If you are saying it's you wrote wrongly, so just want to double check minus. 对咯 ，280 咯。Okay, so once again, can't help.
The lecture.
好，
Skip the lecture.
这里 48. Okay. Then 这里 okay. How come you still use before change after? Can span this one is span. Can you use the branch method now?
Now,
Yes, because I don't want you to use before change after anymore, because for this sometimes you are right, sometimes you are wrong. So I don't want sometimes. I want you always get it right. So can you show me the branch method? Can you show me the branch method? I'm going to show you the branch method.
okay.
Hey, by the way, Yixing, you should stop using this before change after already. We have discussed this last time also. Oh, you want to score, you want to make sure you score very well, you need to keep using the branch method. Before change after, don't use, stop using. Oh,
So you know what's the funny thing?
the funny thing is,
Okay. When I used to use branch, the grade ones say, stop using branch. Use before change after. Very effective.
then you use before change after doing their homework lah, or doing their paper lor. If you get it wrong, it's their responsibility lor, right?
Yeah, but the weird thing is, whenever I use it on the homework or their paper, it's always
You
not
get
wrong.
wrong. It's okay. If you get it wrong, then you should use my approach.
Okay.
And we shouldn't be talking about this anymore. I mean, we have settled this already. Long time ago, we have settled this already. Show me the branch only.
So if
Okay,
you think I am
hold on. I give you a blank page. Okay, you don't write anything first. I give you a blank page. Then you have more space. Okay, good. 这里。这里。Hey, here lah. Not the corner. Okay, make use of the space. I give you a lot of space. Stop drawing the chicken little.
Okay. Oh no, I was looking at the wrong question.
What are you doing? The question is right here.
Yeah, I know, but I was
Ah.
looking at it before, so I did it on my paper and it was the wrong question.
I'll give you the blank space here and I also give you the question here. You're telling me you're looking at the wrong thing. Are you looking at your iPhone or what?
No, I'm looking at my
Okay.
also
You can,
phone anymore.
but anyway, you can look at the screen. Oh,
Yeah, I don't have a phone anymore.
good. Good.
Like me got iPhone, I don't have.
Good. No TikTok. Good. Very happy to hear that.
Oh, why you have to mention it?
You learn nothing from TikTok. All rubbish.
I learned that if you put Mentos into Coke, you will explode or turn into rainbow color.
You don't learn from them. Okay, you experiment yourself. You know, there are people who drink Coke and then eat Mentos at the same time and they test it out. You know what will happen?
What?
没有事 inside the stomach 没有事
There's some people who put a dog in balloons and expect it to fly. And it did.
无聊
The dog floated away.
Okay.
不无聊。
Eh? 4U and 7U? That means
Yeah,
you can get their initial money already, what? They total to 88. So you can actually write down
U equals to that wait, let me find out. U equals to 4.
So instead of 4U, you can write 16. So you don't have to use letters. Like I say, right? If you can use 2 letters, I mean, if you can use 1 letter, you don't use 2 letters. If you can choose not to use letters, you don't use letters at all. Oh, I like my background. Beach front.
Yeah, I also have background. You want to
Yeah,
see?
No, your background is this room. Your background is your room. Wow. 我不要看到这个 scary. You don't use other people's picture, can? You don't use other people's picture. You're not supposed to use other people's picture without other people's permission anyway.
Like that teacher know already. She said can use for attendance.
Cannot. This is their okay. Strictly speaking, you're not supposed to use other people's image.
Oh,
Without
Wait, then
other
why-
people's permission.
why are you using the palm tree's image? It's violating the palm tree's like existence.
No lah, this palm tree, right? This palm tree it belongs to nobody. This is a fake palm tree. You don't know that.
Yeah, so
This is a
the
fake palm tree.
I take picture of you.
No, this palm tree is fake one. It belongs to nobody. But the image belongs to, like my image belongs to me, and then that image belongs to that lady.
Yeah, the next person I'm gonna take a picture of you.
You can. If you get a permission from me to use my image, you can.
I'm going to use something. So I'm going to use my brother's horrible drawing.
Mm. Oh my God. Okay, quick, please settle this question.
I am writing.
Good.
Because I'm calculating at the same time, that's why.
Mm.
That's lah.
Mm-hmm. So the answer
sorry.
is?
Wait, I do.
So based on your this branch, so 32 minus U is 5p. Then 56 minus U is 11p. Today? Hello? So how?
Can I type it out instead of writing it? It's very painful to my hand.
Then you type out.
Okay.
Yeah, how come it takes so long? You're not
No,
supposed to
because
take so long.
oh, in all one sentence, that's why.
No.
Equals to 8. So wait, but I cannot do this without the ratio leh.
No, okay, let me show you. Okay, so basically if you form this, right? So this is, let me use your method lah, right? By the way, this is actually something like just now the question here, no? Okay, it's something like this question.
No, but draw.
Mm.
As in, I can do this question,
Then
but I cannot do it without the ratio, which I am unfortunately not allowed to do because you say cannot use.
no, wait. I'm talking about how you continue from here.
Oh, easy lor.
Yeah.
80, and then 88 divided by this. Which is 4 equals to 4. So 4 times 5 equals to 20, and then 32 minus 20, no?
对咯，对啊，对
Yeah,
啊。
but you see you cannot use ratio, so that's why I never use ratio.
Okay, wait. I never say cannot use ratio. I say try not to use before change after. Before change after. I say not this. Of course, you need to use ratio. Ratio is a must. Why? Because if you look at this question, right, the question just now here, can you focus on here? This question, I'm using ratio because the fact that I use this, I times 3, I get this. I'm using ratio what? I'm using 3p is equal to 3p here. That's why I equate them. That's why I get 15u minus 108 equals to 3u plus 36. I'm using ratio here. Okay? Ratio, okay. So ratio is a concept. Just like fraction is also a concept. Okay? You need to use. The branch, the table, the before, change, after. So these are core method. So I encourage you to use branch. I encourage you to use table. Try not to use BCA. Oh.
What if there is like a question that I am unable to use branch? Can I use BCA?
Actually, if you talk about BCA, right, that means it's a transaction question already. So if it's a transaction question, then the branch definitely can use what, right? Right?
Oh.
So you have already answered yourself. Oh, next.
Can we finish the last 2 questions? The
嗯
last 3 questions.
看到。So this is the question, right? Okay, this question, I just want to teach you the method behind now. So over here, what's the diameter? Okay, let me see. Last one. What's the total area, right? So the total area is very simple. Okay, number one. Okay, this question is similar to this question. Let's talk about without. Let's not talk about this first. Let's talk about this first. So let's say you have AB, okay? And then you are told that AB, this entire AB length is, let me make it easier, 14 cm, okay? Then you take pi as 3.14, okay? And then you are asked to find the area of this figure. Do you have any idea how to find the area of the figure?
Yeah. I think
so what you do is you can actually think of this as, let's say I call this your radius 1. I call this your radius 2. And then, oh no, this is not radius, this is diameter. Sorry. Wrong label. So this is diameter 1. This is diameter 2. This is diameter 3, right? But now we want to find the area, right? For this, we are not talking about this question now. I'm teaching you the method, a simple example. Then later you can solve this harder question. So if you want to find out this, so you need to find out, because to find area, the formula is what? Pi r square, right? Area of circle, right? Area of circle is pi r square. So you have how many circle? You have circle 1, you have circle 2, you have the circle 3. So now you can find one by one. Okay. So area of 1 is, okay, go to this. Easier. So this is your diameter 1, diameter 2, diameter 3, and this AB is 14. So I want to find out area of circle 1 first. So area of circle 2, area of circle 3. I think you have no problem. Why? Pi r1 square, pi r2 square, pi r3 square. Okay. How do you get pi r1 square? Pi r1 square is pi d1 divided by 2 square, right? This d1, right? You divide by 2, right? So how do you get the area of circle 2? Pi d2 divided by 2 square. So similar, you get pi d3 divided by 2 square. Okay? Can? So far so good? 可以吗？可以吗？ So now, if you want to find out the area of the figure is this entire thing. So what you do? You add 把这全部加起来。So it's pi d1 divided by 2 square plus pi d2 divided by 2 square plus pi d3 divided by 2 square. Okay. Then now what you need to do, you need to simplify. You need to simplify the last. Okay, you need to simplify this. 最后这个。So how you do it? You open the bracket. So this one you get what? This one you get d1 square 4 plus pi d2 square 4 plus pi d3 square 4. So if you can see, right, these are all common. Okay, so they are all common, you can take it out. So you have d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square.
Oh, okay. I think I understand a little bit.
Yes. Okay. So
Okay.
then with this, then hello. That's how you can do this question already.
Okay.
Okay.
Try the last few corrections as homework.
Then so this one, I'm talking about this one. This one is each. Okay, this one you need to use the table
Number total table
plus branch.
ratio. Oh, okay.
Okay, your branch is correct already. I think your branch is more or less correct, but you need to combine it with the table. You did not combine with the table. I don't see the table.
I'll try this as
because I see the each one.
okay.
Yeah. So I think this branch is correct, but just that you need to solve it together with the table. Okay, 可以吗? So I will leave the correction to you for these 2 questions as homework. Okay.
Okay.
可以吗?
Understood.
Then do you have any more questions for me?
No, not really.
If not, then we can call it a day for today. So thanks for the cooperation. 谢谢你们，谢谢。
没有人 only me.
Okay, never mind. This by the way, the video is recorded. If you need idea how to
If
solve
I need
this,
any help, I can go back to the video.
yes, exactly. Okay, so yeah, thank you. See you, Cyclops. Sorry. Bye bye.